My favorite part of the program was learning from different mentors. So yes, we got insight from them and they would tell us their stories and about their companies, but also they provided mentorship beyond just the sit-down conversation. And when we walked into the room, there was a level of prestige almost because of the Fogarty Institute, and so there was a level of respect, and we had really intelligent and professional conversations, and that allowed us to learn more about their company, but also to form relationships with them that would benefit us in the future.
My favorite part of the program was definitely getting exposure to a lot of experiences I never would have otherwise had at school. So for example, like shadowing surgeries in the OR and really like seeing like things in person and how devices can really impact and change like procedure times and everything, and how eventually that can work well for the patient. So I definitely think that it was eye-opening kind of to see how commonplace it is, and like how like surgery has just become like very much efficient and like not super exciting, but also like it's like changing people's lives and like in a really like cool and like it's commonplace now just to kind of do that. Yeah.
My favorite part has just been meeting everyone. Everyone has such different backgrounds, and so, I mean, just starting with the Fogarty Institute, everyone comes from very different backgrounds, whether they started in startups or industries, and so understanding that everyone's path is very different has been amazing, and then obviously all of the interns and just hearing why they're interested in medical devices, it kind of gives me a lot of hope for the future, and I'm excited to see what everyone does.
My favorite part of the program has been all of the opportunities to meet new people that I wouldn't otherwise have the opportunity to meet or network with, and all of the different field trips we've gone on. I never would have gotten to see HeartFlow or J Labs in any other context but this internship.
I'm pre-med, so I really appreciated all of the surgical shadowing opportunities we got. So I observed an orthopedic hip replacement and 2 cardiovascular bypasses. One of which used the Fogarty catheter, which was really cool to see in action.